everyone. Thanks so much for your patience and sticking by me when I haven't been able to upload on a regular schedule. I'm really hoping that I'm going to be able to take care of this by filming more than one video at a time when I'm feeling up to it. So you will see this look and this outfit several times, but please understand that that is because I need to feel good in order to film. So today's video is going to be my unbagging of my Pure Cosmetics mystery bag. Now, Jen Luvs Reviews had posted in What's Up in Makeup that Pure Cosmetics was offering a mystery grab bag for $20 and it was supposed to have $95 worth of products. The only thing is you get what you get. You don't get to choose. So $20 is affordable to me, so I went ahead and purchased the mystery bag. Unfortunately, this is my second time filming this video, so everything is open already. Hopefully, when I go to edit this video, it won't be necessary to film a third time. So I'm just going to pull things out and let you know what I got. Okay, this is a Pure Cosmetics crease brush. I don't think I have any Pure brushes, so I'll be happy to try that. You can never have too many brushes, isn't that what they say? But ask my husband and he'll tell you I have way too many brushes. Next up is an eyeliner, and this is in a kind of delicate blue shade. Actually, it's pink. Hope you can see that. And it does have a smudger on the other end. So I'll be happy to try that, maybe in my waterline when I want to brighten up my look. Next, let's see what we have here. Next, we have a Volume Vixen mascara, and I'm always happy to get another mascara. I always dispose of my mascara at 3 months because I'm deathly afraid of getting an eye infection. So I'm very happy to have a new mascara. Now, I won't be opening this to show you the brush or anything. Maybe I'll do it with a Get Ready With Me. Today's mascara I absolutely love, and that was in my BoxyCharm box, and it's called Double Decker, and it's from Butter London, and I love it. A little side note. Next up, we have from the My Little Pony movie, a glitter lip gloss topper. So let's see if we can put a little bit on, see how it looks. I love lip gloss. Now, it's very blue. I don't know how it's going to come across. It's going to come across blue. We'll give it a shot. Well, it's very pretty. I probably could wear it on its own, and I'm happy to have a lip gloss because I'm so glad that lip gloss came back into style because I do not do liquid lipsticks. I haven't found one that really, really makes me feel good about using it. And the last thing is Quick Pro Portables. It's Pure. Obviously, this is a Pure makeup grab bag after all, Tara. Come on. This is going to be a lip palette and an eyeshadow palette. And unfortunately, here's the back. And it looks like that palette's going to be warm, which I love my warm palettes. But since I've already done this video once, I know that it is not a warm eyeshadow palette. I mean, I'm not going to worry about it. Because it's, I guess, nice to have some cool shades. I did a look a while back with cool shades, and I actually liked it. So, okay, so this is about the size of a credit card. And these are the shadows, which, like I said, I don't have a lot of cool tone shadows, so I'm happy to have that. And it's so tiny. I mean, this could fit in a wallet. That's how tiny it is. It's thicker than a credit card, but, you know, not terribly thicker or anything. So let's take a look at the lip palette. Same size. And get it open. You don't realize how important it is to have feeling in your fingertips until you don't have feeling in your fingertips. So here's the lipstick palette, and there's quite a few colors in there that you can use on their own, or you can mix them together, and I'll be happy to play with that. So what did you think of my mystery grab bag? I thought it was definitely worth $20. I would be hard pressed to think it was worth $95, but that's kind of what they do, you know, to let you think that you're getting a lot of something for nothing. But I'm so happy to have these products. So that will be it for today's video. I hope that if you're not subscribed to my channel, that if you're just dropping by, that you will check out some of my other videos, and I hope that you'll enjoy the content enough to subscribe. If you do subscribe, please make sure you hit the notification bell, because if you don't, YouTube may not let you know when I've posted a new video, and that's not cool. So, and if you liked this video, then go ahead and give her a thumbs up. And I'm glad that you spent a little bit of time with me, and please be on the lookout for another video very soon. Bye now.